Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vira Diana Frismi. I will explain the 7 meeting presentation about Introduction to Ethics, Part Structure of Moral Action. Definition of moral. The term moral comes from the Latin word mors, which means procedure in life, custom, or habits. Moral intent is in accordance with generally accepted ideas about which human actions are proper and reasonable. Moral is the rule of norms and institutions that regulate individual behavior in life with social groups and society. Moral is standard of good and bad determined for individual as member of the social. Moral is law of behavior that is applied to every individual and socializing with each other so that respect are established. There is another opinion that says that moral is something that is produced by cultural value and religious value that regulate an individual in his behavior between fellow humans. Overall, morality means norms or value that govern how individuals interact with each other. Moral function and benefits. 1. To motivate humans to act with goodness, which is based on the obligation to be moral. 2. Moral will give social sanction so that each individual humans will think on consider all the action he will take. 3. With morals, people will respect each other more. With mutual respect, every human being will be able to respect the difference of opinion in each individual so that harmony are established. 4. Moral can fortify us from bad things. If we have fortified ourselves from bad things, then we will avoid evil and still act rightly despite the temptation. 5. To maintain harmony in social relationship, because with the moral every human being will have more trust and respect others. The structure of moral action. Person, action, and consequence. Person. What makes a person morally good? Be courage, kind, so on. Do the motive, character, and intention of the person matter in deciding whether an action is right or wrong. Action. What makes an action morally right? Should the movie character or intention of the actor be taken into consideration? So it is solely determined by the consequences. Consequences. What constitutes a good or bad consequence? Person of moral. The moral concept developed by Kohlberg emphasizes the reason on which a person can do an action. The reason why someone can do such an action by Kohlberg is called moral reasoning. Moral reasoning is primarily a function of rational activity, the ability to provide empathy and the ability to feel self-will, affective factors play a role moral reasoning, but the moral situation themselves are determined cognitively by personal moral reasoning. Moral reasoning, according to Kohlberg, is related to the answer the question why and how a person arrives at the decision that something is considered good or bad. The ability of moral reasoning is the ability possessed by a person to use a certain way of thinking that can explain what he has chosen, why to do or not to take an action. Types of moral value. Good moral value. Good moral value are values that are associated with the conformity between the hopes and goals of human life in carrying them out, which can be reviewed from the social principle of society. Very real what is wrong and what is good, for example, by helping all who need one another. Bad moral value. The next type of moral value is about evil, which means the opposite of term goodness. This value is considered deviant towards social cohesiveness, besides the impact it will cause, will create social problems that will occur. For example, that its value is like stealing, corruption, and so on. Action of moral. Everyone has good moral and bad morals. Good morals occur when someone does something useful for those around him. There is another opinion that says moral is something that is produced by cultural value and religious value that regulate an individual in his behavior between fellow humans. Overall, morality means norms or value that govern how individuals interact with each other. A person can decide to have a good moral if he has value that can become moral behavior. Value that can become moral behavior. Value of honesty. Honesty is the attitude or character of a person who states something real and what it is, not add or not reduced. This honest nature must be possessed by every human being because this characteristic and attitude are the basic principle of reflecting one moral. Value of responsibility. Human awareness of behavior or action, whether intentional or unintentional. Responsibility also means acting as a manifestation of awareness of obligation. Value of discipline. A person's mental attitude which contains a willingness to comply with the rules, regulations, and norms that apply in fulfilling duties and responsibilities. Value of justice. Justice mainly means the decision and action are based on objective norms, so is not subjective, let alone arbitrary. Cooperative value. Cooperative means being able to work together. People who have good morals can certainly cooperate with others because the individual is able to accept opinions and respect others. Consequences. Consequences are the impacts that occur if a certain decision is taken. The consequences are something we don't want to have accept. Those who do good will reap the rewards of the action. People who do evil will also feel the consequences of their action. All have consequences. This is definitely true. Some example of the consequences for our behavior or attitude. Someone who often helps people in distress, he will also reap the result of his good deeds. Perhaps his will was getting more abundant, keep away from harm. Maybe he will also facilitate it in all materials. A student who is active in studying, he will also reap the results. The closest thing is that his knowledge and insight will increase. It is not impossible that his achievement will continue to be achieved. Because only students who are active gaining knowledge and continue to study have a great chance of getting the title as class star. Someone who polite, charming, and humble will also be appreciated by those around him. People will be averse to him. Others will appreciate it. When talking, people will pay attention to it and always hear it. Conclusion. Moral be conclude as an understanding of what is good and what is not good. In other words, the term moral refers to the action behavior of a person who has positive value in accordance with the existing norms in society. With the hope moral can be ability to live in harmony with humans and other creatures, and the ability to make this world a vessel for prosperity and prosperity well-being. Thank you. I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi